Alright, good afternoon guys. Today I'm going to the beach. To show you around. Right now I'm in Burfoot. So the place I'm going to is too quiet, so I want to show you around. But before I go, let me tell you the road that goes down there. Okay guys, this other side of the highway come from Kontego. And that's Burfoot Upper and Senior Secondary School right there. The fence that is painted blue and white, that's Burfoot Upper and Senior Secondary School. So this is just where you stop. Exactly. So let's go to the beach. Let me show you the road that leads you to the beach. So you come down straight from this junction. You come down straight to the beach. Actually, I came with my boy, but he don't want to be on the camera, you know. By the way, my name is Lamin. And welcome to my channel. And subscribe for more videos. This place is actually beautiful. Okay guys, sorry for that. I just received a call. I just got a call, so that's why the video was paused. This house actually look beautiful, you know. So this road leads you to the beach straight, no curve. You go straight down to the beach. Exactly. This place is nice. Well, actually, when you come up to this area, you have two curves. The one goes down the hill, and the other one curve on your left. So you use the one that goes down the hill. It's sloping up. It's a bit high down there. So you have to be careful now. And take your time when you are going down the hill. Because if you want to be like Spider-Man and others, you might trip and fall. This is the hill right here. I miss this place, bro.
This is crazy.
Nice. You have to take your time when you are going down the hill here. It's not beautiful. Wow, I can feel the air. I see the beach down there. Actually guys, the beach in the Gambia, they normally look, they are beautiful. I must say. Any part you go, you find this coconut trees there and others. Some even have boba trees, like you can see boba down there, and this other one there is boba tree. And this place is Burfoot Beach. Stay tuned while I go down the beach. The place is usually quiet, so if you are someone who is not fond of crowds and other things, you can come down here and enjoy. No one will disturb you. And one thing about Gambia, beaches are free normally. Beaches are usually free. You don't buy, you just come and walk around. No one will tell you pay this, unless you want to sit on the under the tents there and others. So that one, people normally put there, so you pay money to sit on those. the chairs there under the tents. But if not that, you can come with your own tent and others, and your chair, you sit wherever you want. Yeah, actually this part of the beach is my favorite when I don't want people to disturb me. The place is quiet and relaxing. So let me go down the beach a bit and walk before I pause the video. And please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Follow for more. And subscribe for more and turn on the bell notification, so that anytime I receive a new video, you'll be notified right away. Yeah. And many tourists come to Gambia normally to see these beaches. It's sandy. As you can see, there are not many people around. People are not many today. Normally on Sundays, Gambia, when you come to the beach, you find many people at the beach. That's normal in the Gambia. On Sundays, people are many. You can find too many people at the beach, and the beach becomes crowded. But on weekdays things are a bit calm and relaxing. We walk down here. You can see people are sleeping. Don't forget to subscribe and support my channel. Actually, this is my first vlog video on this channel, and expect more. That's my nigga right there. You might not realize he was in the video. So let's go. That's a dog sitting right there. A dog lying down there. Sorry for that English. My English is not that much good though, but I'm trying at least. So thank you for watching the video. I'm going to end it here, and don't forget to subscribe and like for more. Yeah, this is my first vlog video in Brufut, so give me a support. Thank you. Bye guys.